Hello friends, welcome to my channel GK Capsule. This is my 8th lecture on geography series in which I am going to teach you map based geography, and these are very important for examinations like UPSC, CDS, CAPF, SSC and banking. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it soon, and if you want to see the previous lecture, that is G7, please click here. And now let's move further. So today we are going to study the states of the world. So what is a state? The state is if this is a sea and this is also a sea, and a narrow passage that is connecting two seas is called as a strait. So this is a narrow passage, and hence it is called as a strait, which is connecting two large areas of water or two seas. So this is the definition of state. Now let's move further and locate various states of the world. So the first strait is the Hudson State. So Hudson State is here in the Northern America in the Canada region. So this is the location of Hudson Strait, and it is connecting Hudson Bay with the Labrador Sea. So this is connecting this, and it is also between the Baffin Island and the northern area of Quebec. Okay, so this is the Hudson Strait. Now the next important strait is the Davis Strait, and it is between the Baffin Island and the Greenland, and it is connecting Baffin Bay with the Labrador Sea. So this is connecting like this. So this is the Davis Strait. So we have studied these two straits here. Now let's move towards the southern region of Northern America. So this is known as Gulf of Mexico. This is the Atlantic Ocean, and this is the Caribbean Sea. So this is Florida, this is Cuba, and narrow passage that is connecting Gulf of Mexico with the Atlantic Ocean is called as Florida Strait, and it is between Florida and Cuba. And this is the Yucatan Peninsula, part of Mexico, and a narrow passage that is connecting Cuba and Yucatan Peninsula is called as this Yucatan Strait, and it is between the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. So this strait is connecting these two water bodies, and it is between these two regions. Okay, that is between Mexico and Cuba, Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. Now let's move further. So this is the Bering Strait. So location of Bering Strait is this, and it is between Russia and the Alaska, that is a part of USA. And please remember one thing, that this Bering Strait passes through the international date line. Okay, so now let's move further. So this is the Mediterranean region, and this is Atlantic Ocean. So first strait is Strait of Gibraltar. This is the strait connecting Mediterranean Ocean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean, and this is the zoomed version, and this is the Strait of Gibraltar. It is between Spain and Morocco, connecting Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so this is the important strait. And now let's move further. Let's zoom out here. So see, this is the zoomed version. Here this is the Black Sea, this is the Black Sea, and this is Sea of Marmara. Now these two seas are connecting by a narrow passage that is called as Bosphorus Strait. Okay, so this is the Bosphorus Strait. The next is the Dardanelles Strait. So this is the Dardanelles Strait, and it is connecting the Sea of Marmara with the Aegean Sea. So this is the narrow passage that is connecting these two seas. So the strait between the Aegean Sea and the Sea of Marmara, and that separates European Turkey and the Asian Turkey. So this is a part of Turkey, this is also a part of Turkey, but this is the Asian Turkey, this is the European Turkey, that is the European side's Turkey. Okay, so now let's move further. So let's zoom in here. So these are two islands. This is the island of Corsica, part of French territory. This is the island of Sardinia, part of Italy, and a strait connecting these two seas, and it is between these two islands is called as Strait of Bonifacio. Okay, now let's move further. So let's zoom out here. So this is the area, it is Italy, and this is Sicily. So it is between Italy and Sicily, and the strait is called as Strait of Messina. So Strait of Messina. So these are the state in this region. And hence friends, this is the end of the lecture. The remaining strait will be covered in the part 2 of this lecture. So till that time, bye bye, take care.